Here's a 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Now, this particular car is done up as a Yenko tribute. Of course, back in late 60s, early 70s, Don Yenko hopped up the 351 LT Copo ordered cars, and it was on the Chevy 2 platform, and I believe that's where the Deuce Yenko came from, as far as the name goes. Now again, this is just a tribute to it. Not powered by a 350 anymore. This one has a 400 Chevy small block underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Cool looking car nonetheless. Definitely turns some heads. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes. As you can see, it has a newer paint on it and a nice luster to the paint. It's kind of a deep green, got a little metallic in it. Overall, very nice condition. You find a few little, like a touch-up up here I noticed. Little spot right there. And one little spot kind of in the door, if you can see it there. Almost more of a little bit of a, just a little bit of a dent more than a ding or anything. So there's a few imperfections on the paint, but overall, very nice shape. You can see the car's straight down the driver's side. Chrome, bright work. Very presentable on this car. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats. Obviously floor shifter with that 4-speed in there. Black vinyl top is in nice shape. Now you can check out the still pictures so you can take a look at this car up close. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And you're sure welcome to call us too. You have any questions on this one? 507-386-1726. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this. Also very straight car, so very presentable. The one thing I will tell you, take a peek at in the pictures. Get around to the trunk. There is a couple soft spots in the trunk. I do have them pictured. There's some surface rust on the top of the trunk floor, but kind of on the passenger side, you'll see a couple soft spots, small hole. Just want to make you aware of that. And then on the underside, take a close look at the underside. There is a little corrosion, rot, what have you, in the very, very rear, kind of the frame rails or very, very back end of the car. But feel free to call. We'll be happy to discuss it. Want to represent it the way it is. Interior, like I said, very nice shape. Vinyl top, also a nice shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Be happy to assist with transportation. And this car may be eligible for an extended warranty or extended service contract. So feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little bit of TLC and a few spots in this car as far as that trunk and underside. You have a nice car. Sounds good. Got a nice Lobe cam to it. We'll start it up here in a little bit. Check out underneath the hood and the engine bay. And remember those still pictures if you want to see what I was talking about. uniqueclassiccars.com down below this video in the description. There's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Still pictures. See, it's riding on a rally style wheel. They did a little Yenko Y center cap on there. Got a cool little touch, and those BF Goodrich radials. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. Did play around with the wipers a little earlier. Wipers do work. Did not get the radio to power up. It has a little different, later model retro style radio in there. Now, as you can see, the tack on the hood does light up. It does work. A couple aftermarket gauges down below, oil pressure, water temp. And we're in neutral here. Otherwise, stock looking dash. Dash is in nice shape. Not cracked or sun-baked. Alright, so we're on the back of this seat here and run. Nothing crazy, but a little bit of a cam tour. Nice muscle car sound at idle. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and let's check out this engine bay. Get to take a look at that 400 small block underneath there. 1971 Chevrolet Nova Yanko Tribute. Pretty car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below the video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we can assist with shipping. Do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.